What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a much needed steering replacement slash upgrade. So here I got some Treal aluminum steering links, super awesome, and an Emax steering servo. So real quick right off the bat I'll show you guys kind of how weak the stock setup is. So say you're crawling down a trail or rocks or something and you're in this position, it's like very weak and it just stops. So hopefully this Emax servo will fix that and give it some more power, as this stock one's a little bit weak, but still works fine. I'll still keep it around obviously. And then here you guys can see how much slop there is in this front end. There's just so much slop in these steering links, so hopefully these aluminum links fix that all. So we'll just start off by taking off our steering links and our servo. Okay, I got the old servo and the old steering links out of the truck. I'll just set those off to the side. Now it's time to modify this battery tray real quick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna chop this corner out, so that way when we put the new Emax servo in, these wires are able to have a space to go through. So grab a pair of pliers and chop right here and right here, just like that. Now I can kind of cut this down a little bit lower. Boom, just like that. Now we can put that in. You just have to do it to this one side, and then you'll be good. Just like that. See how that fits good, and the wires are coming out perfectly right there. One more quick modification we're actually going to make on the servo this time is these top corners will actually hit your chassis rails up in here. They will hit that, so we're going to cut these at an angle and then file them down real quick. Okay, so I got the servo mount cut out for the wires of the servo, and these corners cut off and filed down, so we should be good to go. And then I got one of these servo horns. This one that came with it is a little bit long, so it came with this other one. It had like 4 sides, like a plus, and so I just cut off 3, filed down the other sides, and then we're gonna take this and we'll be using this smaller one. So we can just take the servo, put it back in the tray. Alright, so here you can see I mounted the servo just with the stock screws on there. Now we can take it and put it right up under here, back where it goes. Steering and get our steering all zeroed out. So plug it in. Turn on your car. And then you'll want to take your transmitter. You want to make sure channel 1 is set at 0. That will make sure you have perfectly straight steering. So now we're good to install our servo horn. We can just take it, put it directly straight up and down, just presses on there, just like that. Now we take this little screw, it's a Phillips head, so make sure you have a little tiny screwdriver. Just snug it down. Alright, now we're good to throw our links on. And there we have it. the Treal links with Emax servo all installed, ready to go. Let's just turn this thing on and we'll see how much it improved. Because the stock steering, it was okay, but this is definitely going to be a needed upgrade for those that are trying to do some better crawling and stuff. So turn it on. Oh yeah, that is really torquey. So we'll kind of do the same position as... Oh yeah, this thing will move the whole entire truck. That is awesome. Alright guys, that is a seriously good performance gain for the SCX24. Nice, cheap. It was only about $20 to upgrade it, so highly recommend it. Very easy to do. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.